is the life force. It's the key energy that flows everywhere. It flows inside you and around you. How to start using it? How to start using it? How can you heal yourself? How can you heal others using the Reiki energy? See, in order to heal somebody, in order to heal yourself, you don't need a certificate for that. Okay? If you just want to heal yourself, heal others just out of goodwill, then you can definitely do it. Like, this video is going to help you to tune in into Reiki energy, and you can actually experience like a Reiki level 1 kind of energy when you start practicing what I have mentioned in this video. Okay, so make sure that you watch this entire video, take down necessary notes. Okay, and yeah, stay tuned. The highest form of life force energy is love energy, and in every religion, they believe that God is nothing but love. The highest form of love energy is nothing but God. So, have you ever experienced that during happiness, when you are happy, when you feel positive, when you feel like laughing, when you are in love, you feel so positive, and when you are experiencing all of that, usually you will feel healthy. Usually your mental and emotional state also will remain healthy. The thing is that happiness, positivity, laughter, love, all of that is some or the other expression of the highest love energy. So, if you want to use the Reiki energy, you also need to start using the love energy that is within you. Now, love is within everyone. Everybody has love. Okay, so how to use this energy? First point is you need to choose somebody for giving a healing. It can be either yourself or it can be somebody else, somebody in your family or anyone else. Now the thing is that Reiki is giving energy. Okay, it's like giving energy to yourself or to others through your hands. So how is it that you have to position your hands? Hands are supposed to stay closed like this. You don't have to keep your hands like this, because that will just, all the energy is going to stray out. Keep your fingers together and keep them cupped. Okay, the hands have to be cupped, so as if you are having this intention that energy is flowing from this source. Okay, so once you have your hands cupped, you can actually put it on the person who needs healing, and put it on yourself or put it on that person. And when you put this energy on that person, you have to imagine that you are giving out like unconditional love to that person. Just think about a lot of love for that person, and Reiki energy will start flowing from your hands. At certain times, people are so much strongly connected with love that even if you have not learned Reiki from anyone, still the receiver, they will say that they just vibrated a lot because of that energy. And once you have given out the Reiki energy, you need to say a closing prayer. Okay, there is an opening prayer and a closing prayer. Opening prayer is you have to ask the universe to help give that person or give yourself the highest level of love energy, so that that person can heal themselves. And the closing prayer is going to be, thank you universe for helping me during this healing. Okay, and then you just have to you just have to bow down in front of that person for receiving the energy, or you can bow down to yourself, thanking yourself that you received your own Reiki energy. Okay, so this is a very small and simple procedure, but the more you do it, the more your Reiki will start getting stronger. Remember that Dr. Mikao Usui, he was somebody who rediscovered the Reiki healing energy method, and nobody taught him. He was somebody who researched it for like 20-25 years. He went to a mountain, he did like a tons and tons of different processes to rediscover that energy, and finally he found it. Okay, so if you just are interested in giving healing to yourself or to your loved ones, you don't need a certificate for that. If you keep on practicing this way, you will be able to effectively give healing to your loved ones as well as yourself. Okay, so yeah, so this is the video for today. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with those people. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.